Hey guys, Barbara here. This is awkward.
Live action.
Boats, drones, fitness, faith, adventure, and a whole lot of fun.
Good morning. Oh. Okay. Don't you hate when you think you're charging your phone and you're like, wake up and it didn't charge? Okay. We're charging. Okay. I'm going to go take a shower and then we are going to go learn to drive the boat. Yep. So. Okay. Done with the shower. Now I have to go grab our swimsuit on because we're going boating today. Let there be light. Okay, well, I don't really have a place for this guy. Yeah. Do you wear a fashionable suit or do you just wear a functional suit, you know? Fashionable? Functional. Yeah. So, you know. I wore this one last week, but I didn't take any pictures, so it doesn't really count. I think not. I can wear this fall. Okay, I found the winner. I found the winner. Okay, so now I'm gonna get changed, and you can't watch. I only have 2 steps. Okay, I just brush my hair. Okay, 3. I lied. 4 steps. Brush my hair, brush my teeth, wipe my face down, and put on some deodorant. Because you can't be smelling bad. Oh. Gotta brush my teeth, put on my... The water's struggling to go through the pipes today. And the secret, alcohol wipes. Yeah, it's just crazy. I don't have any face, I don't have any beauty products. Just a brush and some alcohol. That's about all I use. I'm not knocking those beauty products. Some of them work really good. My face gets way too oily if I put anything on it, so I don't. Just these old alcohol strips do the trick. Okay, now for... Oh, this blue light makes for a really cool video. Throw my trash away. And I kind of have to take out the trash. It's overflowing. But we'll do that later because I've got to go learn how to drive a boat. And I'll see y'all out there. Those are idiots. That's what not to do. Mom,
What?
big burp.
Well, you know, we all have to do what we have to do. It's about the barge.
It's a big barge.
It-
Hold on.
Back to the left. Back to the left.
We're gonna go on the inside of it.
Yeah. Just watch. Watch the depth. Straighten up. Straighten up.
It's pretty wide. Now the barge.
Holy McAtooties, Batman.
I'm
So,
the
Barbara.
best speller in the world, by the way.
Yeah, you're so good, so good. I'm so proud. Spell there.
T-H-E-I-R.
Oh my God. Spell there, as in the boat is over there.
T-H-E-R-E. Now ask me something challenging. Even though yesterday I almost asked you the same question. I was like, is this the right there?
Barbara, spell Wednesday.
I'm really good at this one. W-E-D-N-E-S. Is there 2 S's or 1 S?
All you need are the last 3 letters, sister.
W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. I add an extra S a lot of the times.
You know, and people don't usually do that. People usually misspell Wednesday because they miss the N after the D. But no, you're unique.
I just add an extra S. When in doubt, add an extra letter.
Spell Idaho.
A-D-A. I just wanted to say A and I.
Spell Alaska.
Can we move on from states? Am I in the frame? Because the camera looks like it's...
Well, you know, you're in the frame, but I keep lowering it because, you know, I'm a woman of a certain age. Spell Buchanan.
Buchanan. Is that what you said?
Buchanan.
I don't even know where to start.
Buh.
B-U...
Come to the left. That's for code.
Oh. B-U-E...
Nope.
View.
Buchanan.
View. It's not B-U-E.
Nope. Buchanan.
B-O-U.
B-U-C-H-A. N-N-E-N.
Now you've got a piece of paper that would have gone a little better. Where do you get Buchanan from? Like,
He
use
was a
that in
president.
sentence,
He
please.
was a president.
Oh, really? I didn't pay attention much.
Back to the right.
Where are we going, Mom?
I'm just a passenger.
Yes, that you are. We're gonna go eat, and then I guess drive back. See y'all later.
I'm a duck whisperer. Watch this. You all go over there. Not you. Stay here. There you go. Yeah. Oh, you did this.
So you distract them by throwing something?
I have the ones that I feel the most for.
Who do you feel the most for?
This one right here right now.
Why?
Because he kept missing it. So I send all his so-called friends over there. Stay here. Stay here. Watch him. He stays here. And then I give him one
So
of
he
his own.
struggles?
Yeah. I'm here for the struggling.
If Mom falls in, she said I need to feel guilty because I won't go get the pillow.
For the rest of her life.
Mom, how was your nap?
Oh, my nap was delightful.
So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna get the front or the back? I'll jump off and grab the ropes.
Why don't you jump off and grab the rope?
You have to throw them to me. This is a good shot right here. Smile, you're on candid camera. I'm gonna try to record this without dropping my camera in the phone.
Well, you probably ought to put your arm through the pockets blue like a young.
Well, you know. Then I can't grab the ropes.
You're gonna drop your camera right into the water.
Are you testing me? We're gonna take this boat into this slip. Mom, I'm an expert. Why do I need to go to the other side? I gotta get off right there
Oh, okay.
to jump. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. I think Scuba Steve's got it. I trust him. A lot of boaters don't like me for tall. why not? Corey's one of those. Because it messes up with their direction. Okay, I'm gonna get off right now. Success. And now, if you give me the rope,